Are you over those boring, flavorless chicken nuggets that you can't eat without drowning them in sauce? Well, you are in luck. At Ranna Roshmita, we are whipping up a spicy, flavorful twist on your favorite snack that will have you reaching for seconds. Let's get started with the spicy nugget mix. First, you will need some boneless, skinless chicken breast. Chop it into bite-sized pieces so it's easy to work with. For the flavor punch, toss in few cloves of garlic and a little ginger. Now, grab a couple of slices of bread and soak them in half a cup of milk. Why? These milk soaked slices are our secret to keeping the nuggets soft and juicy on the inside. Next, for the heat, add a bit of chili powder, a splash of soy sauce for the savory umami flavor, some white pepper powder, and garam masala for the cozy warmth of spices. And finally, don't forget to season it with some salt. Blend everything together in a food processor until you have got a smooth, well-mixed nugget base. Next, we will shape our nuggets. Add some refined oil on your hands and add it to the mixture. This will help the mixture from sticking to the plate. Then, press the mixture flat on the plate like this. Flatten until you have reached the desired thickness for your nuggets. Then apply some oil to your knife. This way, the mixture won't stick while you cut it into your desired nugget shapes. After portioning, pop them into the freezer for 30 minutes to firm up. This trick makes handling and cooking them super easy. Notice how easily they come off as they are set in the freezer. Now for the crispy coating. Mix together an egg, a bit of milk, and a pinch of salt for the egg dip. Then take the portioned chicken nuggets and dip them in the egg dip to add the moisture and make the breadcrumbs cling perfectly. Finally, give them a generous roll in the breadcrumbs for the crunch factor. Once our nuggets are coated, we will fry them. For this, heat some refined oil in a pan, just enough to cover half the nuggets. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes per side on low heat until they are golden and crispy. You will know they are ready when they have got the perfect golden brown crust and the chicken inside is nice and tender. Drain them on some paper towels to soak up any extra oil. And that's it. Crispy, golden, homemade chicken nuggets ready to be served. Pair them with your favorite dipping sauce like ketchup or mayo and watch them disappear. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and as always, happy cooking!